Investing in index funds can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to a broad market. In this tutorial, I will show you how to invest in index funds using the eToro platform. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, make sure you have created your eToro account and completed all necessary verification steps. First, log into your eToro account and navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name of the index fund you are interested in. eToro offers various index funds, so take your time to explore the options available. You may want to look for popular choices like the S&P 500 or other global indices. Once you find the index fund you want to invest in, click on it to open the asset page. Here, you will see details about the fund, including its performance history and other relevant information. If you are satisfied with your choice, click the Trade button. This will bring up a new window where you can enter the amount you want to invest in the index fund. In the Trade window, you will see options for setting your investment amount and other preferences. After you have entered the amount you wish to invest, review the details one last time, and then click on the Open Trade button to execute your investment. Congratulations, you are now a proud investor in index funds through eToro. Remember to keep an eye on your investment and stay informed about market trends.